Welcome back to Pinnacle Drilling. My name is Gordo Suzuki, and today we are working on the 6.325 OD crown bit. We're putting a 152.4 millimeter two-start left-hand clem thread onto this crown bit. We got 6 3/4 OD 4140 by 4 3/4 ID and about 7 inches long. Standard size. Let's rock. The tools we're using today is a Sandvik CNMG 433, a big radius so we can push nice and hard for roughing. We got VBMT 332 Sandvik for finishing. We got the 2-inch Sandvik D-Vibe bar CNMG 432 for roughing. We got the 1.5 DCMT 332 for finishing, and we have the Sandvik 0.315 ONMG to cut the rope thread. This is our standard setup for this. Let's rock. So right now we are currently facing off the end of the pipe to create our overall length. We usually put about a 1/4 inch extra stock to bring in our size. Now we are going into roughing our OD. My cutting speed is 425. Depth of cut is a 1/4 inch at 18 thou per rev. She's ripping. When you use the CNMG 433, you can get a lot more tool life and you can push a lot harder when you're roughing this kind of material. Unlike the 432, it'll wear out a little bit more. The OD has been turned. We got it turned out rough. Now we're going to switch to roughing the ID. We'll measure it. That's right on size. Would you look at that? Perfect. Measuring the OD and the ID, we got plus nothing, -5 on the OD, and plus 5, -5 on the ID, which is typical measuring. Now we're going to go for threading. Plus 5 thou, -5 thou. Yep. Okay. So we got to measure the thread depth for the rope thread, make sure that it's on size. .85 thou thread depth with our dial gauge. Last but not least, put our thread gauge on the thread, make sure that the quality control is there. And that is a 152.4 two-start left-hand pin crown bit.